High-end real estate is the true picture of real estate development in a country. It is very desirable, very attractive, a dream to many, but a choice to few. In Kenya, high-end mansions have a price range starting from 50 million Kenya shillings and above. And for you to purchase such a home, you must start from somewhere. That's why we have brought you here. This is a beautiful mansion, done excellently, and it comes with a price tag of 26 million Kenya shillings. The home has a print area of 385 square meters. It is a 4-bedroom all-ensuite mansion, and it has been constructed on 5,400 square feet of a lot. That is more than an eighth of an acre. Before I take you inside, I'll have to show you the entrance because this is how you'll approach and get to this home. From there, you can see that you are getting a sliding gate that can be automated or stay as manual as it is right now. On this other side, you can see you have a beautiful space that has been set for your garden, and from the main entrance, you have a space that has been cabro paved to act as your car parking. This would be enough to fit your 2 cars, but if that is not an enough space or you have more than 2 cars, this space has been reserved enough parking for the extra cars. As you have seen, this unit comes surrounded with a perimeter wall. You have a razor wire and an electric fence. A gate camera is here, and if that is not enough, you have a 24 hours surveillance system. This unit also comes with a 10,000 liter water tank, an outside toilet, and on the roof deck you have an extra 5,000 liters of water. The green spaces in this home have been distributed very well. Next to the perimeter wall, you have some spaces that have been left for the flowers. On this other side, you have some pebbles, and around them you can see we have some green spaces. On my far front, you have a green area which has been reserved for your resting. But before I show you all that, just come with me. You have this tree, and it is called acacia fever tree. Traditionally, this was the security guard because it has a lot of thorns. In our culture, it is called mututhi. Kindly tell me how you call it in your language, and make sure you do that in the comment section below. This is the main green space. The biggest part is on this side, but it goes all around this unit. From there, you can see we also have some fruits that have been planted just to improve the shade. That will be very important for your family in a few years. You have some avocados here, you have some peach, oranges, and you have some mangoes on that far end. If that is not enough, you have the kitchen garden on my far left, and that's where you can plant your onions and your skuma wiki. That is the main entrance. Just come with me. It has been done very well, and it is very welcoming. I'm loving it that these pillars have been covered with Mazeras coating, and that improves the look of this entrance porch. On top, you can also see that we have a set of cameras. You have one here, another one there, just to make sure that this compound is 24 hours secure. The main door is over there, and it is big enough to allow you to get all your furniture in. I know some of you are already asking, Mr. Mungai Kihara, where is this home? The home is in Ruiru, and Ruiru is exactly 21 kilometers from Nairobi CBD. This home is exactly 1.8 kilometers from the tarmac. The road to access this home is all weather, so you are not going to get any problem accessing this unit. As you can see, the living room has been done excellently. What I'm loving is this focal point. You have the cabinetry that has been reserved for your electronics, and this would fit your 85-inch TV. The ceiling height is excellent. I'm loving the amount of lighting that has been done in this living room and the quality of lighting. If that is not enough, you are getting these 5 big windows to give you enough natural light. The colors are very subtle. You have a hidden curtain design, and this styling is contrasting very well with all the white colors in this space. The living room is opening to the dining area on this side, and I'm loving it that the developer was able to add a touch of timber in this space just to separate the ambience of the living room from the ambience of the dining area. The space is big enough to fit an 8-seater dining set, and the orientation has been done excellently. On my far left, you have a small vanity, and that is very, very important. Next to it, you have a massive window to feed this area with enough natural light, a small bar section, or an area that can be used for your breakfast, and it welcomes you to the kitchen of this unit. Just come closer. If you talk to the other gender, they'll tell you that the kitchen should be the center of every home. But if you talk to this gender, the man cave should retain the mantle. As you've seen, the kitchen has been done excellently, and from this side you have the cooking area, which comes with a 5-burner cooktop and a heat extractor. A window next to these spaces makes sure that everything that is done around here is very well lit. This is the washing area, and it comes with a double sink and a tilting faucet. You are also getting a drying rack. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinetry. A white granite countertop is always a plus because it is very easy to clean and you'll be able to spot all the dirt spaces. This kitchen also comes with some drawers here and another set here to make sure that you can easily arrange your cutlery and your crockery. This is the warming area, which comes with a microwave, a space for your side-by-side refrigerator, and an oven. All this comes standard in this home. If the kitchen storage is not enough, you are also getting a pantry that has been partitioned to perfection. This door is opening to the kitchen garden and the employee quarters. Let's see that. The kitchen garden is on my far left. On my far right, you have your employee quarters, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Behind this kitchen door, you have a space that has been reserved for your gas cylinders. And it also can act as an external storage space. I'll take you back inside. From the common spaces, you have an access here that takes you to the other spaces on this level. You have a staircase that is supposed to take you to the upper level. On my far front, you have the common washroom. Another door is on this side, and it can be used to access this unit. And behind me, you have the guest bedroom. Before we see all that, this home comes with a 24-hour surveillance system, and this is one of the camera screens that can be used. At the entrance of the guest bedroom, you have the guest bathroom, and it comes with a shower cubicle, a WC at the center, and a small vanity. The sleeping space is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed. The ceiling heights are also still high, and you are getting a floor-to-ceiling closet. The partitionings have been done very well, giving you a space for you to hang your clothes and some spaces for you to keep the foldable clothes. This staircase has been done very well. I'm loving the black color, and it is landing you to the first level of this unit. On my right hand side, you have the first bedroom. On my far front, you have the primary bedroom, and on my left, you have the study and the second bedroom. If you would want to see the pictures of this unit and many more, make sure you check out our website, African Realestate. And if you have a unit that you would want to sell with us, post it there and we will give you the best. The first bedroom is just a replica to the guest bedroom that we saw earlier. The only difference is that this bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet that comes with these sections for the foldable clothes or for your shoes. The window is big as usual, giving you enough natural light, and the quality of everything is just top-notch. If you are going to purchase such a home for 26 million Kenya shillings, a good and a big primary bedroom should be a must, and this developer made sure of that. As you can see, the master space is just on another level. You are going to do a king size or a queen size bed in this room. You'll have another space on this side where you can do your small TV, or you can create a small resting area where you can have a coffee time or a wine time with your sweetheart. This bedroom also comes with the biggest balcony. We will see that in a second. What I want you to see right now is the walk-in closet. Just come with me. This has been done excellently, and it comes with a shoe space at the entrance. All this space has been reserved for your clothing, and if that space for the shoes is not enough, you have another space on this edge to make sure that you'll have more than 50 pairs of shoes. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it comes with a double towel holder on my far front. You're also getting a WC on this edge. A shower cubicle should be a norm these days, and at the center space you are getting a big bathtub. If that is not enough, you are also getting a double vanity. When you are buying a home, you must consider the environment that the home has been built in. For such an environment, the kids would grow very well because it is very subtle, the air is very fresh, and you are away from the bustle and hustle of the Nairobi city. The views from this balcony are just excellent. The greenery in this area and the quality of homes around this locality is just something else. For 385 square meters, this home is giving you a lot of extra. This is supposed to be the study or the library, and as you can see, it would be big enough for 4 children who will be in school. This space would give them an ample space for them to get the best grades ever. It also comes with a balcony, nice views from this balcony, and it also increases the aeration of this space, especially when you are trying to enjoy your studies. The 4th bedroom is targeting your teenagers, and it comes with a slightly bigger shower cubicle. You have your WC on that side, a very nice vanity which comes with a compartment, and inside the compartment you have some space where you can keep your toiletries. The sleeping space in the 4th bedroom is bigger than usual, and you can easily do a 5x6 or a 6x6 bed. You are also getting a slightly bigger closet which comes with some section at the center for the foldable clothes, and the partitionings have been done very well with 3 drawers down there. You are also getting a balcony which can be accessed from here. If you enjoy outdoor-indoor environment, the balconies of this unit are giving you exactly that. They are wide, massive, and enough for all your balcony activities. You can actually do your planting here if you enjoy having a plant as a pet, or you can also do your hammock or any other sitting space. On the top level, we have a few things. First, we have this chandelier, and it looks extremely beautiful. You are also getting a clotheslines area and a drying area. This top space also comes with the security room, which can also act as the office. And next to me, you have the roof deck toilet. Before I show you the internal spaces that I just mentioned, we need to enjoy some sun. This is where you should rest in the morning or in the evening when you want to get your vitamin D. The developer made sure that this space has been terrazzo paved to make sure that there is no water which will seep into the building. On this other side, you have space that has been left for you to do your flowers, your green spaces if you like doing vertical farming or vertical floriculture. On top of this roof deck, you have your solar water heaters and your external water tanks. This is the external toilet that I talked about. You have the control for the solar water heaters, and next to me you have the office which can be used as the control room. The office is big enough for a normal office desk. You have an extra storage on this side, and this is the control for all the security cameras. You can see this home is closely monitored every time. On this other side of the roof deck, you have the laundry area, which is big enough to wash all your family clothes, and you have some spaces which have been left for your washer and your dryer. If you do not like drying your clothes inside or using a machine, you have your clotheslines area where you can do your clotheslines, and you have an industrial sink on this side to wash your gumboots or your dirty clothes. You have a staircase here, or a small stair thingy that is supposed to take you to where the tanks are. Some people call this the pangora, others call it the terrace, and others call it an outdoor resting area. You can also call it a gazebo if you want it to appear posh, and it is also in the package of 26 million that this home is listed at. The ability to walk around this home is just one thing that makes it very interesting. Because if you like jogging or you enjoy some exercises, this home would be perfect for you. And as I mentioned, it is going for only 26 million Kenya shillings, and it is available on sale at africanrealestate.com. Make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Anyway, we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.